It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this history. It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this history. So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah, thank you. Jamaican thing TV. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this history. It's a Jamaican thing TV. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this history.
Welcome guys to another banger. You don't know what is Spur Tree Hill today, now guys. Yeah man, we're on Spur Tree Hill today. You don't know Spur Tree Hill. Dangerous hill in Jamaica. This is in Manchester, heading towards St. Elizabeth. Guys, I'm gonna show you. Oh, truckers, we as road users traverse this dangerous thoroughfare. Spur Tree Hill. Welcome guys. If you just joined us on this channel, make sure you guys subscribe, give us a like, and drop a comment in the comment section. Yeah, infamous, dangerous, you don't know, Spur Tree Hill. Beautiful, breathtaking inside view as well guys, overlooking most of St. Elizabeth, as you guys can see. Yeah, man, I'm overlooking most of St. Elizabeth from here. So we have touched the hill, guys. Spur Tree Hill, man. You know the thing setting, man. Infamous, dangerous Spur Tree Hill. Traversing. You don't know the famous Spur Tree Hill, guys. Man, have along with us, man. Tag along with us, guys. Going down famous Spur Tree Hill right now. Yeah guys, I don't know, once I go down them hill, guys. Once I go down them hill, you know, say low gear traverse them hill, guys. Low gear. Not high ratio, low ratio. Carry you down them hill, because I don't know. Downhill, you know, that's the most difficult part on the hill, guys. Downhill is the most difficult part on the hill. No joke about it. Down Spur Tree Hill, one of the most difficult part when traveling now. When you have other persons where take on that hill like nothing, you know, like it's nothing, but for the big boy them, yeah man, them have to do it in a real low gear, and they don't even make no sense. Them change no gear either, you know. The man, they hold a low gear and take your time and come off right, man. Boy that I do a murder, you know. So you want them refer to it, you know. That a big boy just kill a boy there, you know. One of the guys them in here, and a proof no point from them in here, man. Them alien are not able to prove no point from, you know. Some people can go down it faster than some, depending. That have a lot to do with the type of load what them carry as well. Yeah, man, that have a lot to do with the type of load what them carry as well, you know. So you'll find some big trucks that fly down it same way. If them empty, or if them carry a light load, or like that big boy in front of me now, loaded with gravel. I don't know if I'm taking the time to crawl.
is dangerous. Or I'm said, when I was dangerous, but this hill is rough, but going down and coming up. Yeah, and this is a prime example of this hill being rough coming up. Yeah, man, must they just break down on it, guys. Yeah, man, must they just break down on it. Countryside view whilst going down. Whilst going down the hill, you get a nice little countryside view, you know? Mountainside view, hillside view, whatever you call it. Yeah, man, you don't know. I have to choose him road, you know, guys. I have to choose him road because you don't know. Wait and bad road not to agree. Yeah, man, for any vehicle, man, wait and bad road and not take tea, you know. So we approach a section of the hill. Well, we call it the runoff spot. Yeah, we call it the runoff spot because that's the spot where most of the driver them where most of them can't make it down the hill. When them have difficulty do, you know, with brake and them thing, they know to themselves so them can't make it down the hill. Normally over this house here, guys, them carry it, go drop it, you know. Yeah, man, so this is the runoff spot, guys. Several trucks run off over there. Several, that house as you see in the white house there. Yeah, several trucks take over there for them run off spot, you know. So once man them, most of them can't make it down the hill, guys. Yeah, man, most of them drop it right there, so to be safe. You don't know once you pass right there, you know, guys. Once you pass that runoff spot, what we call it, and change up round. Because enough of the man them change up. As I hear him change up, enough of the man them change up. After them pass the runoff spot, and then enough time them miss gear and can't find gear and them type of thing there. Yeah? And then end up at the danger corner. Estimate say if you miscalculate, miss gear, end up at the danger corner and can run over the corner. No, you'll be in serious problem then approaching the danger corner right now, guys. Several trucks and vehicles end up over there. wicked corner on Spur Tree, guys. One of the wicked corner them on Spur Tree. Nice hillside view, guys. Nice hillside view, man. No joke. Nice hillside view. Now, guys, we're approaching the danger corner now. See it? Trucks use low gear. This is the danger corner, guys. You approach the corner and you're in the right gear. You can't find brake and them thing there. Yeah, no problem, guys. Over this day, I end up, and several times men end up over there, trucks end up over there. The danger corner, guys. Spur Tree, man. That's the danger corner, guys. Several lives were lost right there. Yeah, man. Say if you not try it, drop it up on there. We'll look a runoff spot, we'll call it. And end up at the corner, the guys. Problem there, man. Problem there. My boy angle it decent, man. My boy angle it real decent, you know? Yeah, man, you don't know. And the best food shop in the guys on the hill, man, right here, guys. Best food shop on the hill right here. Yeah, man. Look for the truck of them right there, so you don't know the food spot. So you have two good food spots on the hill. Spur Tree when you're passing through Spur Tree. So that's one right there. And we're approaching another one. As you can see, guys, nice hillside view overlooking most of St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man, overlooking most of St. Elizabeth, guys. Guys, so we're approaching another leg. I realize him going way down about 3 gears down. You know, yeah, man, we approach another rough leg down the hill. Another rough leg down the hill now. approaching one of the food stop. Baddest porridge man on the hill. The man we just passed him on the left there. Baddest, they call it now, stick, meatless soup and peanut porridge. Yeah, man, when we talk about baddest meatless soup and peanut porridge, just past. You don't know the man right here. Real chef, you know. Yeah guys, we're in Manchester right now. So if you're coming from up top of the hill, or up top of Spur Tree Hill, you're in Manchester. Once you finish Spur Tree Hill, you're in St. Elizabeth. So Spur Tree Hill spans from sections of Manchester into St. Elizabeth. Right now, I think it's one of the longest hills in Jamaica right now to traverse. Big boy real nice, no joke. No rush, no riot. Easy squeeze, you know? And that's the way to do it guys. No rush, no riot. Easy squeeze. Entering one more the other, because one more the danger corner on the hill. Yeah man, this is one more the danger corner on the hill guys. That's one more the danger corner right there guys. About 3/4 of the way off Spur Tree Hill now. sign right there, you're now leaving Spur Tree. Yeah man, basically 3/4 of the way off the hill. Now remember guys, you don't know your boy the Wally taking all these gems to you guys in the morning. All that Jamaica has to offer, taking them to you. Now we're just showing you guys how it is traversing Spur Tree Hill. Alright guys, so don't forget guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Give us a like, share this video as well to get some more persons to enjoy and know Jamaica. Drop a comment below guys. So we're in Butters right now. We're now on the border of St. Elizabeth and Manchester. Now this is where I'll take my stop guys, here in Butters. Now the G continue the journey down the hill.